Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got chicken pozole verde. So yes, this is chicken pozole with green sauce, and yes, add you some little tortillas. Here is the ingredients. I got radishes, cabbage, my special seasoning, hominy, green chili enchilada sauce, green onions, chili powder, and some chicken. I'm also going to add some additional seasonings. You'll see that towards the end. So if you want to see how your girl created this recipe, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so first we're going to start off by making our chicken broth. This is the Knorr's Polo bouillon, and I'm going to use 2.5 tablespoons and then whisk it together. Instead of you paying all that money for some chicken broth, you just buy this big old container for $4 and always make your own broth. So I'm going to add the chicken right now. I'm only adding 3 chicken thighs with the bone in and the skin on, and that's to give the broth a little more flavor. So right here I'm just chopping up the onion, radishes, and shredding the chicken. The radishes and the onion is for garnish, and the chicken is to shred because you do not want whole chickens in your pozole. So I'm going to go ahead and shred those chicken thighs and take off the skin and the bone. So now once my chicken broth has started boiling, after I take the chicken out, I'm gonna go ahead and add my enchilada sauce. And this is the easiest way to cook pozole because I wasn't about to be soaking nobody's chilies. And yes, we're gonna add the shredded chicken, we're gonna add the hominy, and we're gonna also add the seasonings. You will see what seasonings I use in this recipe. Sorry you guys, I don't keep track. I just eyeball everything and I just put whatever I want in my soup and I just go from there. Okay, so go ahead and continue to watch. So now that it's came to a rapid boil, it is done. After you add the hominy and the chicken, all you need to do is boil it for 15 minutes, and this is how it looks. So I'm about to go ahead and plate, and I'm also going to garnish. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Okay, you guys, I love you. Bye.